Hi, welcome. Mike McKinnon here from my Info Product Earnings YouTube channel, and thank you for stopping by today. Well, I put this quick video together just to give you a big tip, especially for newbies, people just getting started on YouTube. Maybe you've got, less than 5 or 10 videos out there. Maybe you don't have any yet, but I think it'll be a big help even to people that have got a lot of videos out there to help give you some focus on what you should be doing to grow your channel as quickly as possible. Okay, well, let's get started right now. Click on the subscribe button down below and then the notification bell, and we can stay connected as YouTube friends. Okay, so today I would like to talk about one of the biggest mistakes starting YouTubers often make. And that mistake is one of focus. And what do I mean by that? I'll show you. Focus on the theme of your channel. It could be about home repairs, cooking, music, scrapbooking, whatever.
Download my free 14-page ebook and learn the real secrets to building a massive traffic YouTube channel. There's a link in the description below this video.
Because sometimes what I see is something like this, where they created their first videos about their family vacation, then one about pet training, one about their child's birthday. There's no focus. So I'd like to demonstrate that. Show you a channel by Peter McKinnon who has 400 million views and 5 million subscribers. Peter says right on the top of his channel page, I teach things about photography and cinematography. That's it. So what I'd like you to do today is to come in and on a piece of paper write down my channel is all about, and then complete the sentence. Don't make it a paragraph or a page, a single sentence, and clearly state what your channel is all about. Okay, so here's Peter McKinnon, and this is the home page on his channel. It looks just like this, and as you can see, like I said, he has, zillions of subscribers and hundreds of videos. Looks like this, 5.19 million subscribers. That's huge. And so when you come in and look at his channel, he's got a cool picture up at the top. Peter is wicked smart. He is incredibly intelligent. His videos are all fun to watch. He's a cool guy. I don't use the word cool very often, but he is a cool guy. And he says, I teach things about photography and cinematography, and that's exactly what his channel is about. Every one of the hundreds of videos he has is about the same thing. So when you look in the video section, you can see all these videos. How to replace any sky, how I added a green screen. All these videos are exactly about the theme of his channel right here, and you can see some of these. And he gets hundreds of thousands of views for every video that he puts up there. He's extremely popular. He is an incredibly successful YouTuber. Okay? So what I'd like to do right now is show you 4 channels. Kati Morton's, Cathy H, Kraig Adams, and Colins Key's channel. And these demonstrate very clearly what I mean by a highly focused YouTube channel. Links to these channels are all in the description down below. I want to come to Kati Morton right here. She's a licensed mental health specialist. Her videos are all about mental health and psychology. So if you come in here, they're all cute videos. She does really good job talking. She looks you in the eye. It's just like she's across the table talking to you. They're really good, but I can't help but wonder how many people have been helped by her videos. And again, when you come in here, she's had about 83 million views to her videos. She's had over 1 million views just in the past month alone, and she's got over I don't know how many subscribers. It says over 1 million subscribers right here. But when you come in here and you look at this, how to feel better about yourself, stop panic attacks, are you emotionally drained? Admit it or not, we've all got some kind of emotional, psychological issues. We all do. If you look at somebody and don't think they do, they probably got a lot of them. But again, it's not her family vacation. It's not cooking at home. It's not gardening. Every one of her videos has to do with mental health and emotional stability. So if you watch one of these, like how to stop panic attacks, there's an excellent chance you'll watch another of her videos because they're all related to strong mental health and emotional stability. Having a tightly focused channel, it helps you get more views. If somebody watches one video, there's a good chance they'll watch more. And Kati does a good job with that. It's a great channel. Here's Cathy H. This one's a little bit different. She's only got about 10 or 12 videos, They're all about crazy squirrel things, okay? And you might say, hey, wait a minute, who would watch? There's some competition for crazy squirrel videos on YouTube, believe it or not, there is. And so with Cathy, she's got about a lot less, but still she's got a good channel. She's got about 5 million views. That's very nicely done. And she's got about 5,000 subscribers. Now, if somebody comes in and watches this, Rescue Squirrels Need Toys, okay, if they liked this video, what are the chances they'd like the video about how to play with a squirrel? How to hypnotize a squirrel? Yeah, I can see somebody coming in and watching all 10 or 12 of her videos. Okay, I can see that. I can see it. Because they're all tightly focused. Again, not her family vacation, not her trip to Rome, not, anything else. You know what you're going to get when you come in here. And if you watch one of her videos, there's a good chance you'll watch more of her videos. It's a tightly focused channel. Okay, so nicely done, Cathy. Very good. Now, this next one, this is Colins Key. This is a little different, and you've seen channels like this. This guy's crazy, in a good way. These are all wacky videos. A lot of them, most of them have to do with food, crazy stuff that he does with food. And look how colorful his thumbnails are. Now, the thing about this channel, you say, oh, this guy's just a wacky guy making stupid food videos. No, this guy's smart. Okay, he knows what he's doing on YouTube. Catch this. He has 22 million channel subscribers. 22 million subscribers to his channel, okay? Guess how many views he's had on his channel in total? 5.4 billion. That's billion with a B, okay? That's like a 5 with 9 zeros after it. 5 billion views to his channel. So he knows what he's doing. And if you come in and watch this, how to sneak candy into the movies, something. If you watch this video and you liked it, there's a good chance you might watch this one and this one and this. I can see people coming in here and watching 2 dozen of his videos in one sitting. Very good. He's got a tightly focused channel. He does a great job. He's extremely entertaining. I've watched a bunch of these videos. They're funny as all get out. Really, they are. He's very good at what he does. Tightly focused channel. Okay, last, but certainly not least, this is Kraig Adams. Okay, Kraig has about 20 million views to his videos in total. He has 500,000 subscribers, over 500,000 subscribers, and I can see why. Before we look at a video, I swear I had tears in my eyes. I did. Now sometimes I get emotional, but he brought tears to my eyes when I watched a couple of these videos. Well, I've watched probably 8 or 10 of his videos. I watched one of these. I had tears coming down my eyes because it was so incredibly beautiful. I mean, it touched my soul to watch this video. It really did. And his videos are all about hiking, going hiking in Reflection Canyon and Zion National Park, Peak Summit in Arizona, Grand Canyon. They're videos about where he's gone hiking. And again, 20 million views, 530 subscribers. And the thing that I like about his channel, he loves what he does. He loves it. You can tell by listening to him talk that he loves what he's doing. And that excites him, and that excites me, And he's got beautiful stuff. But again, tightly focused channel, no extraneous stuff, no other themes in here. When somebody comes into his channel, they know exactly what to expect. And if they watch one of his videos, I'll bet you they watch a lot more. That's the advantage of having a tightly focused channel. Okay? Hey, this is Mike again. If you enjoyed this video, please click on my image in the upper left, subscribe to my channel. That way we can stay in touch. I'd like that. And off to the left is another video I think you might like. And as always, my very best wishes for tremendous success for everything you do on YouTube.